Welcome to all BSc third year students of Fishery Science in online classes of paper 12. In last few periods we have seen the important commercial fishery captured in Indian coastal waters, that is the Indian oil sardine. Then next to the Indian oil sardine, the important commercial fishery captured on both east as well as west coast, but as compared to the east coast, 90% of fishes these are to be caught, these are to be captured on the west coast of India. In these commercial fishes or fisheries, the second most important commercial fishery is the mackerel fishery of India. Second important commercial fishery is the mackerel fishery of India. Next to the Indian oil sardine, the second important commercial fishery captured from the west coast of Indian region, and that fishery or the fishery is the mackerel fishery we have seen or studying today. This mackerel fishery similar to that of the Indian oil sardine. We have seen first introduction, then we have seen classification, local names, general characters, food feeding, reproduction, in reproduction, sex ratio, first maturity, and then sexuality, then maturity stages, fecundity, then fishery or fishing, and lastly the utilization of mackerel. In this mackerel fishery, first point we have studying, that is introduction. We have already seen Indian oil sardine, name itself indicates that is sardine fishery or the sardine fish, which captured both east coast as well as west coast of India, and which is to be contribute near about 30% of the total all India marine fish landing. That is sardine fishery, these are to be captured both east coast as well as west coast of India, and it is to be contributed how much percentage? It is to be contribute 30% or 1/3 of the total marine fish production from sardine. Next to this sardine fishery, mackerel is to be important. Mackerel is the important commercial fish, and which is to be caught, which is to be captured from both east coast as well as west coast of India. And this mackerel fishery, these are to be constitute near about 20% of the total marine fish production. 20% of the total marine fish production, these are to be total 20% production is to be captured from the mackerel fishery. That's why it is important. It is to be most commercial fishery captured on both east coast as well as west coast of India. These two fisheries, first is the sardine and second is the mackerel, constitute near about 50% of the total all India marine fish landing. Total all India marine fish landing, these are to be caught, these are to be captured by only two fishes or two fisheries. One is the first Indian oil sardine and second is the mackerel. Mackerel, these are to be contribute near about 20% of the total marine fish production, total marine fish landing. In this 20% total marine fish landing, 90% of mackerel which is to be captured, 90% of the fishes these are to be captured, caught from the west coast of India, and rest of the fish production, rest of the mackerel these are to be caught, these are to be captured from the east coast of India. Means again from west coast, similar to that of the Indian oil sardine, this mackerel these are to be caught, this mackerel these are to be captured from the west coast, and it is to be how much? It is to be captured near about 90% of the fish these are to be caught, these are to be captured from the west coast of India, and remaining 10%, this remaining 10% these are to be caught, these are to be captured from the east coast of India, from the east state, from Bengal to the Tamil Nadu region. These are to be caught only 10%. And these fish, these are to be in fresh condition, used as a food. And when fishes these are to be in surplus quantity, fishes these are to be in surplus, then these fishes these are to be converted number of byproduct. To capture this mackerel fish, the special nets these are to be used, a special net these are to be operated, and that net is called as the Rampani net. With the help of Rampani net, mackerel these are to be caught, these are to be captured, these fishes these are to be moved, these are to be swim in water with shoaling behavior. It is the peculiar character. It is the peculiar character of the mackerel fishes, that is these fishes these are to be move in sea, move in ocean water with shoals, and shoal is again characteristic feature, anterior narrow, middle broad, and posterior narrow, like that of the kite. These shoals these are to be move, swim in inshore water as well as the offshore water. In short, this mackerel these are to be contribute near about how much? 20% of the total marine fish production. Then next point of the mackerel fishing, that is the classification. What is the classification of this mackerel? Similar to that of the Indian oil sardine, classification it is to be as it is up to class level. Up to class, all classification same, similar. Next to the class, it is to be changed, it is to be different. Phylum Chordata, 3 fundamental characters are present. Group Craniata, cranium or brain box is present. Subphylum Vertebrata, notochord is replaced by vertebral column, hence vertebrata. Division Gnathostomata, jaws and paired appendages these are to present, hence Gnathostomata. Series Pisces, aquatic, cold-blooded, respire with the help of gills and swims with the help of fins. That animal is called as fish or Pisces. Class Teleostomi, complete mouth, and endoskeleton is made up of in the form of bones, hence it is called as teleostomy. Then order Perciformis, body is fluorescent on body, colored strips are present, small scales are present on the body, hence order Perciformis. Family Scombridae, Scomber or family Scombridae. Genus Rastraliger, and species Rastraliger canabrota, Rastraliger brachysoma, Rastraliger pugni. These 3 species these are to be found in Indian coastal waters, in which maximum mackerel production, maximum fish production captured from Indian coastal regions, and that fish is to be caught, that fish is to be captured, which is Rastraliger canabrota, is most important commercial fish species captured on both east coast as well as west coast. This is the in short, that is the classification of mackerel fish, that is phylum Chordata, Group Craniata, subphylum Vertebrata, division Gnathostomata, series Pisces, class Teleostomi, order Perciformis, family Scombridae, genus Rastaliger, and species Rastaliger canagrota, Rastaliger brachysoma, Rastaliger fugni. These species are to be captured and found on Indian east coast and west coast. The next point of this fishery, distribution. Where these fishes are to be distributed, where these fishes are to be scattered in Indian region, that is the distribution. Rastaliger canagrota is widely distributed in the tropical regions of the Indian and Pacific Oceans. Rastaliger canagrota or the mackerel fish is widely distributed in the tropical regions of the Indian and Pacific Oceans between latitudes of 30 degree north and 30 degree south, in between 30 degree north and 30 degree south, and longitudes 30 degree east and 160 degree west. Means these mackerel, these are to be distributed, these are to be scattered, both latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes 30 degree north to 30 degree south, and longitudes 30 degrees to 160 degree west. In this area, these fish, these are to be scattered, distributed. It is known to occur all along the entire coastal waters. It is known to occur all along the entire coastal waters of Eastern Africa, north of Durban, Seychelles, Malagasy, Mauritius, and Reunion Islands. In these coastal belts, in these coastal areas, where these are to be caught, these are to be captured, found, it is to be found distributed in coastal waters of Eastern Africa, north of Durban, Seychelles, Malagasy, Mauritius, Reunion Islands. It is also found in Red Seas, Persian Gulf, Pakistan, India, including Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Means it is to be found in Eastern Africa, as well as it is to be found in Red Sea, Persian Gulf, Pakistan, India, including Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar. It is also found in Sri Lanka, Burma, Malaysia, Thailand, Cambodia, Indonesia, Borneo, Northern Australia, New Guinea, Micronesian, Polynesian, Soma, Fiji Islands, Philippines, China, Hong Kong, Taiwan. All these countries, all these coastal belts, these fish, these are to be scattered, these are to be distributed. Means whole worldwide, this mackerel, these are to be scattered, these are to be distributed. It is to be distributed in Africa. It is also found in Asia. Especially it is also found in Persian Gulf, found in Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Thailand, Cambodia, Indonesia, Borneo, Northern Australia, New Guinea, then Micronesian, Polynesian, Soma, Fiji, Philippines, China, Hong Kong, Taiwan. In all these coastal belts of country, these fish, these are to be distributed, these are to be found. Other species such as Rastaliger brachysoma and Rastaliger fugni were also found in tropical Indo-Pacific regions, but its distribution restricted to some country and their coastal water. Remaining two species, Rastaliger brachysoma, it is also called as Rastaliger neglectus, and second, that is the Rastaliger fugni. These are also found in tropical Indo-Pacific regions, but its distribution is to be restricted to some country and their coastal waters. This is in short, that is the distribution of the mackerel fish or the Rastaliger canagrota. See the figure. This figure, these are to be observed seen in inset. Yes, this is the figure, that is the Rastaliger canagrota we have seen in the inset, and this figure is to be caught, captured both east coast as well as west coast of India, and it is to be captured 20% of the total all India marine fish landing. See the characters or the structure of this mackerel fish which is to be observed on the figure. That is mouth pointed, a blotch is to be present. These blotches, these pink colored blotches, these are to be found on the body. Then on the body, these are the colored strips, 3 colored strips, these are to be occur. And in the second dorsal and anal fin, that is finlets are present, 5 to 6 finlets, these are to be found, these are to be occur. These are the a peculiar character which is to be seen. Then next point, that is the external characters of the Rastraliger canagruta or the external characters of the mackerel fish. Morphological character, external character, which external character which is to be observed, which external character which is to be found in this mackerel fish or the Rastraliger canagruta. It is also called as Scomber macrolepidotus. Rastraliger canagruta is also called as Scomber macrolepidotus, and local name of this fish, these are to be important, these are to be studied. In English it is called as Indian mackerel, or it is also called as red-gilled mackerel. In Hindi it is called as bangdi. It is called as, in Hindi it is called as bangdi. Bangdi, yes. And in Marathi it is called as bangda. In Marathi it is called as bangda. That is the, in Hindi, in English, Indian mackerel or red-gilled mackerel. In Hindi it is called as bangdi, and in Marathi it is called as bangda. That is the local name. And when you can visit it, go to the coastal belts of Bombay, the dish is to be famous, and that is the bangda dish on the Bombay coastal area. This bangda dish is nothing but the mackerel or the Rastraliger canagruta. Then external character of this Rastraliger canagruta. Most important identifying character of this fish. First character, at sides about 3 grayish, at sides about 3 grayish longitudinal strips along upper half of the body. Just we have seen in figure. That is, at sides about 3 grayish longitudinal strips along upper half of the body, which is to be observed, which is to be seen. It is the first important and identifying character when we have captured, when we have observed the fresh fish. At that time, these 3 colored longitudinal strips or bands are present on body, just behind operculum up to the base of the caudal. Second important identifying character, a row of 16 irregular greyish blotch or spot. A row of 16 irregular greyish blotches below the dorsal fin on the back, and 1 blotch below the base of the pectoral fin. This character, these are to be seen. That is, see in figure. In figure, when we have observed, when we have seen, what is the character? Yes, first, that is 3 colored strips. See, these are the 3 colored strips. These are to be appear on the body, on lateral side, just behind to the operculum up to the base of the caudal fin. These colored strips, this is the first character. Second character, which is to be indicated in green color. See, irregular 16 blotches, these are to be present. These are the 16 blotches. See, yes, these are the 16 blotches. These are to be observed on the dorsal side of the body, and these irregular 16 blotches, these are to be observed. This is another second important identifying character. And third important identifying character, which is to be indicated in color, that is the yellow. What is this third? That is a prominent blotch, these are to present, these are to found just before the, that is behind the operculum and prior to the pectoral fin. See, yes, this is the yellow colored spot which is to be observed just behind to the operculum. This prominent blotch, these are to be observed, these are to be seen. 16 irregular on dorsal side and 1 blotch, these are to be at the base of the pectoral fin. This is an important identifying character. And next important identifying character, yes, I have cleaned this figure, then I have draw next character, yes, that is again in yellow color. Observe this fish, 5 to 6 finlet, these are to present both from second dorsal and from the anal fin. Second dorsal and from the anal fin, these 5 to 6 that is finlet, these are to present, and this finlet, these are the important identifying character of the fish, that is the Rastraliger Cana gruta, which is to be seen in this figure. These finlets, these are important identifying characters. A row of 16 irregular greyish blotches below the dorsal fin on the back and 1 blotch below the base of the pectoral fin. First dorsal fin is spinous. First dorsal fin is spinous and its first spine is shorter than second spine. Again important, first dorsal fin is spinous dorsal fin and its first spine is shorter than the second spine. Second dorsal fin is to be soft red. Second dorsal fin is to be soft red. Dorsal and anal fins are with 5 to 6 finlets. Dorsal fin and anal fins are with 5 to 6 finlet. It is also important identifying character. Caudal fin is deeply forked. Caudal fin is deeply forked with pointed lobes. Caudal fins or lobes of caudal fin is to be forked, pointed, body laterally compressed and snout pointed. Body is laterally compressed and snout pointed. Head length equal to the height of body. Head length is to be equal to the height of body. Mouth large, oblique with deep cleft. Mouth is to be large, oblique with deep cleft. Eyes with thick adipose eyelids. Eyes with thick adipose eyelids. These are the few morphological characters of the external characters of the mackerel fish. Which are these? On the body, 3 longitudinal strips. On the dorsal side, 16 irregular greyish blotch spot and 1 blotch at the base of the pectoral fin. First dorsal fin is spinous. In this dorsal fin, first spine is to be shorter, second is to be longer. Second dorsal fin is soft red. Dorsal and anal are with 5 to 6 finlets. Caudal fin is deeply forked with pointed lobes. Body is laterally compressed and snout is pointed. Head length equal to the height of body. Mouth is large, oblique with deep cleft. Eyes with thick adipose eyelids. Eyes with thick adipose eyelids. These are characters. Then next character, teeth small in a single row in both jaws. Teeth, these are to be small in a single row in both jaws, but usually worn out with age. As age, these are to be increased. These teeth, these are to be worn out, these are to be fall down. Teeth small in single row in both jaws, but usually worn out with age. Gill rackers numerous and first gill arch long, feather like. Interesting character. Gill rackers are numerous and first gill arch long and feather like and distinctly visible when the mouth is opened. When we have observed, when we have mouth is to be open, then this gill racker, these are to be seen, these are to be observed when we have seen the mouth is opening. Pectoral fin soft red. Pectoral fin is soft red and pelvics with 1 spine. Pelvics with 1 spine and 5 soft rays. Pelvic fin or the pectoral fin is soft red. Pelvics with 1 spine and 5 soft rays. Coloration of body bluish green. Coloration of body bluish green tending towards grey. Coloration of body is bluish green, tending towards grey above and yellow on belly. Color of the body is bluish green, tending towards grey above and yellow on belly. Dorsal fins yellow with tips. Dorsal fins yellow with tips and outer margin greyish. And outer margin greyish. It is important commercial fish next to the Indian oil sardine. It is important commercial fish next to the Indian oil sardine. It captured maximum on west coast of India and less catches from the east coast of India. It is most nutritive food fish and consumed in fresh condition as bangda. The total marine fish production, mackerel contribute near about 20% of the mackerel production, 20% of the mackerel catches. Means these characters, these are to be observed. These are the external characters of the mackerel fish of the Rastraliger canagrata. Teeth small in single row, both jaws but usually worn out. Gill occurs numerous and first gill arch long, feather like. When we have observed the mouth open, pectoral fin soft red and pelvic with one spine and 5 soft rays. Coloration of body bluish green tending towards grey above and yellow on belly. Dorsal fins yellow with tips and outer margin greyish. It is important commercial fish next to the Indian oil sardine. It captured maximum on west coast of India and less catches from the east coast of India. It is most nutritive food fish and consumed in fresh condition as bangda. It to the total marine production, to the total marine fish catch, mackerel, these are to be caught, these are to be captured near about 20%, and hence it is important commercial food fish captured on both east coast as well as the west coast. See the fish, Indian mackerel Rastraliger canagrata. On the body, these blotches, these are to be seen, these are to be observed. These blotches, these are to be seen. See, these, that is red color, these are the blotches on these dorsal side. One blotch on this base of the pectoral fin and on body. These are the colored strips, these are to present just from operculum up to the base of the caudal fin. These are the 5 finlets, these are to be seen. Caudal fin is to be forked and lobes are pointed. First two dorsals, this is the first dorsal, and in this first, this is the first spine is to be shorter and second spine is to be longer. Second dorsal is to be soft, red, and then pectoral fin, pelvic fin and anal fin, these are to be short. Mouth is to be pointed, cleft of mouth opening is to be very wide. Eye, these are to be large with developed. Then gill opening, these are to be wide up to the lateral side, up to the lateral margin. This structure, these are to be found, these are to be occurring this, that is the Rastraliger canagrata or the mackerel fish. Yes. This is another important Rastraliger canagrata. It is also called as king mackerel, which is to be caught, captured on the, that is Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean. In these larger ocean seas, this mackerel, these are to look like this fashion, and hence this mackerel is called as king mackerel. It is also called as giant mackerel, which is to be look like a tiger-like structure. And this mackerel, these are to be contribute, these are to be captured in Indian region, especially caught, captured 20% of the total mackerel production. All these are the introduction, classification, distribution, local names in English, Indian mackerel or the red-gilled mackerel, in Hindi, bangdi, in Marathi, bangda, and general characters, that is colored spot, these are to present on blotches present on dorsal side, one blotch is to present on base of the pectoral fin. Colored strips, these are to present on lateral side of the body, 3 colored strips. 5 to 6 finlet, these are to present just behind to the second dorsal and anal fin. Caudal fin is deeply forked, pointed lobes, mouth opening is very wide. Jaws, these are to be pointed with teeth. These are to be small in single row, and usually these teeth, these are to be worn out, fall down. And gildaca, these are to be long, feathery, numerous. When we have observed, open the mouth. These are the few characters of this Rastraliger canaglota. With this, we have completed the first part of the mackerel fish or the mackerel fishery. Any problem, any difficulty, please ask. Thank you.